Welcome back to Saturday Sports Special. We begin with football as Cavalier hold the only advantage after the first leg semi-finals of the JFF Lynk Cup knockout competition on Friday at the Stadium East Field. Already into the Jamaica Premier League semi-finals, Cavalier remain on course for the local league and cup double. On Friday, they placed 1 foot into the Lynk Cup knockout final with a 1-0 win over Dunbeholden at the Stadium East Field. The all-important strike came in the 51st minute through an own goal from Siobhan James.
Well, we started very well. I mean, we created a few opportunities. Unfortunately, we were unable to convert. I mean, throughout the game, Cavalier got into the game, and we still managed to manage the game as best as we could going into the second half. The second half, we started stronger than Cavalier as well, but we still did not score.
Cavalier's women team is in the final of the knockout, and I think they're also in the final of the League Cup. So there's some professional jealousy going on now, because the boys will have to do the same. Is a feat that we must mention, because I don't think any club in Jamaica has ever done that before. Reached the semi-finals of all 4 major competitions in the country.
It's all squared at 2-2 in the second semi-final between Harbourview and Portmore United, played at the same venue. Portmore, who missed out on a spot in the league quarter-finals, went in front with a 33rd minute strike from Siobhan Walsh. However, the Stars of the East roared back into the latter stages of the half to grab the lead heading into the break. First, goalkeeper Benjamin Williams was unable to keep out a fierce free kick from Joshawn Anglin in the 52nd minute to level the score. Then their constant pressing paid off as Krista J. Daly converted a penalty in time added to the first half. Portmore again took the fight to their opponents early in the second half, and again it resulted in a goal. It was Walsh again on target, firing home after another defensive error.
Both teams created a lot of chances. I mean, we stuck to our game plan today. We know what we wanted to do, and it's unfortunate that the second goal that we gave up, we also lost a player, which is Kasim Priestley. He may be not available for Monday, and that's where my mind is at the moment, because this game is already finished. Kudos to Portmore for coming back in the game, but I thought we did enough to win the game.
I think a draw tonight was a fair result. Harbourview had a lot of possession of the ball, but I think we matched that in terms of our workman-like performance and the work ethic off the ball, and without the ball will match their possession game tonight, and I think it was a fair result.
The return leg for both games will be played next Friday, also at the Stadium East complex.